I'm going to find 10 cruise ship secrets you probably never knew existed. Ever felt like you're missing out on the best parts of your cruise? You're not alone. Many cruisers stick to the main pool, buffet and entertainment areas, not realizing there's so much more to explore. The thing is, cruise ships are like mini cities with tons of hidden gems. But unless you know where to look, it's easy to miss out on these unique experiences. Some of these secrets are tucked away in plain sight, while others require a bit of insider knowledge to find. Imagine being able to enjoy your cruise without the crowds, or discovering a specialty lounge that's off the radar. You might even stumble upon a secret menu item that's not advertised anywhere. The possibilities are endless, and I'm here to share some of these secrets with you. Let's dive into my top 10 list of hidden gems on a cruise ship. First up, have you ever heard of a secret deck? Some cruise ships have decks that are not advertised in the brochures or online, but they're perfect for a quiet retreat or a romantic evening. Another hidden gem is the onboard library. Many cruise ships have a library that's free to use, but not well known among passengers. You can find a wide selection of books, magazines, and even games to enjoy. Some ships also offer specialty lounges that are not well known. These lounges often have a more relaxed atmosphere and offer complimentary drinks or snacks. If you're looking for a unique activity, consider visiting the ship's nursery. Many cruise ships have a nursery on board where kids can play while parents enjoy some quiet time. The most surprising hidden gem on my list has got to be the captain's table. On some ships, the captain hosts an exclusive dinner for a small group of passengers. It's a great way to meet fellow travelers and enjoy a special meal. What makes the captain's table so valuable is the opportunity to meet the captain and learn more about the ship's operations. Plus, the food is usually exceptional. I was amazed to learn that some cruise ships offer off-menu items, like customized meals or specialty desserts. If you're interested, just ask your server if they can whip something up for you. What's really cool is that some of these hidden gems can be accessed simply by asking a crew member. They often know all the best spots and are happy to share them with passengers. So, if you know where to look, you can transform your cruise from ordinary to extraordinary. By taking advantage of these hidden gems, you'll be able to enjoy a more unique and memorable experience. Ready to uncover more secrets like these? Share your own hidden cruise gems in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and cruise hacks.